Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Bubba Bubbaphant from Smiling Critters. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Bubba Bubbaphant, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to begin by making an oval shape for the first eye. Next, we're going to make a smaller oval shape inside of here for the pupil. Now, right here, I'm going to make another oval shape for the second eye. And then we'll make another small oval in here for the pupil. Now, for the nose, let's begin by making a sad face. Then we're going to bring this line down. And then for the front of the nose, let's curve this line around. Then we're going to bring this up and in, and then we want to connect it. Then at the end of the nose, let's make a little circle shape. Our next step is to do the mouth. So starting from the nose, let's bring a line right up to here. And then let's bring another line up here on the other side. Let's draw a curved line here and a curved line here. Then a line that curves down to the trunk for the mouth. And then same thing here, bring this line down. Now starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and down for the tongue, and then another one that goes up and down right to there. Now starting here, let's draw a line that's just going to curve around and bring it to here. And then let's bring another line that's just going to come up here and around. Now, right here, we're going to bring a line up here, and this is going to start the inside of the ear. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring this line up. We're going to curve it down and in, and then bring it right around to here. Next, we're going to leave some space, and I'm going to make that exact same shape. And we're going to do this right around here. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and down, and then up and down to here. Now, we're going to make the inside of the ear. So to do this, just bring this line up. We're going to bring this in, and then right to here. Almost kind of like a jelly bean shape. And then we'll do the same thing again. Let's draw this line around. And right to here. Now let's make the arm. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down, and we're going to curve it around. I'm going to bring this line up and down here. Then I'm going to bring this line up. Next, we're just going to curve this line up to here. Right in here, we're going to draw a little line at an angle, and that's going to be where the back is. Now, there's going to be a little light bulb right around the neck. So, to draw this light bulb, we're just going to make a curved shape like this. And we're going to make a line that just connects it. A line that goes down, over, and up with a little line here. Next, we're going to go up, put two bumps here, and then down. And then we're going to make a line down here. Next, we're going to curve this line around for the stomach. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down. And then right here, we're going to make another line that comes down. We're going to curve this for the foot. And then curve this. Now for this leg, we're just going to draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to curve it around and bring it up. And then we'll make another little curve line right here for the foot. Now for this arm, we're going to bring a line out. We're going to curve it up here. I'm going to bring this around and then down to here. I'll draw a little curve here for the hand, and then an oval shape in here. Now for the tail, let's draw a line that's just going to go down and then up here. We'll make a little line across, and we'll make another line that's going to go down and then up here. Now for the end of the tail, let's draw a line that's just going to go down and up here. We'll put a little bump at the top of each one. And then we'll bring this line up and around and back down. Now for the eyebrows, I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come up and then down here. And then I'm going to color over it a couple times just to make it a little bit darker. And then we'll do the same thing here, just kind of go up and down and just kind of color over it a couple times just to make it darker. And there you go. There is your drawing of Bubba Bubbaphant from Smiling Critters. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.